Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report a technical problem on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings, and here you will find report a technical problem. Click on it. Here click report problem, and here you can choose include or don't include, and here you can type your problem, and that's it. Click send, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.